Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the view properties. Go to ribbon and click on the view properties or double click on the model space to open the view property dialog box. You can load the predefined filter from the drop down available near the load button at the top. Note, in name, views named without brackets will be created as saved view and any name with brackets will create only temporary views. Temporary views will not be saved in the view list. Select from drop down and click load to load one. In angle, you can choose 3D or plane. Choose plane and click modify to change to 2D plane. Click 3D and give rotations if required and click modify to change the view to 3D view. You can change the projection either from orthogonal to perspective using the drop down. Choose the required option and click modify to apply the changes. Representation is used to create a filter in the view using the predefined filter, or you create one by clicking on the representation button. You can control the depth of the work plane by adjusting and giving values to the view depth at up and down. Note the changes in the work area. Click on display button to control the visibility of the object in model by clicking on the checkbox for objects to be visible. The left side indicates the part members in Tekla and the right side indicates the components. Select the required checkbox and click modify to apply the changes. Let me explain with an example. Here, if I want the weld and cuts of the components to be visible, select the desired checkbox and click modify to apply the changes. You can see the cuts and welds are visible. In advanced option, you can turn the center line of the object to be visible by clicking on the checkbox and clicking on modify. You can see the center line of the object. To show the part label, click on the checkbox and select the properties to be visible and click the add button to add one and remove button to remove and click modify to apply the changes. Note, to control the visibility of the object by creating a filter, click on the object group button or you can choose the predefined filter from the drop down. Click modify to see the changes. Let me demonstrate some of the filters available from the drop down. That's it guys. We have seen how to use the view properties in Tekla. See you at next session.